Love is a constant journey, a constant pursuit, a pursuit of success, a pursuit of happiness, and a pursuit of a better self. But have you ever considered, perhaps better isn't about having more, but about having fewer obsessions? Lao Tzu said, less is more is confusion. When you let go of comparisons and stop racing against others, you can truly run towards yourself. Taoism speaks of following the natural way. Naturalness isn't laziness, but going with the flow. Flowers bloom when they should, and wither when they should. Water flows around stones, without forcing or contending. You don't need to laugh as a battle. You only need to let each step align with your own breath. When you stop demanding, the world becomes much gentler on you. Lao Tzu said, do nothing, yet nothing is left undone. It's not about doing nothing, but about not being bound by things. Sometimes, we want to control everything. We want results, we want answers. But we forget, love is, in essence, an unknown journey. When you learn to let go, everything truly begins to flow. Like the wind, it leaves no trace, yet it touches all things. Chuangzi said, the perfect man has no self, the divine man has no merit, the sage has no name. Many of life's troubles stem from caring too much about what others think, caring too much about success and failure. But if you can take fame and fortune lightly, you will discover that even ordinariness can shine, and that tranquility can be abundant. A truly extraordinary life is not about proving anything with great fanfare, but about being able to peacefully be yourself in the days to come. You can be slower. You can be a little clumsy. You can be imperfect, but be genuine. May you be happy every day, not because everything goes smoothly, but because you have learned to go with the flow. May you laugh a different laugh, not because you have become a role model in the eyes of others, but because you have finally become the light within yourself.